This chart pattern does not look good. I really hope they're just painting the tape because the collapse is imminent. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Da Vinci Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5. Still live in Dubai. Looking forward to tomorrow's Daily Hodl show, right? Which is live in approximately like half an hour from now, right? But the actual show that you're going to watch that's going to be the burning party for Orc is going to happen tomorrow. So make sure you're a part of that tomorrow because that's going to be lots of fun. It's at 9:15 a.m. That's in Dubai time. So just come over there, watch us burn some Orc. Alrighty. With that said, man, I got some charts to show you, and oh boy. Not good. Not good. I really hope they're painting the tape, but let's just see what the charts say, right? And go from there. Okay. Because when you see it, it's clear, right? What do we have here? Like if we were to like look at this, you can see we come down, dead cat bounce, we bounce all the way up to, I guess this is, you can see this is probably the 61.8 here. Let me just move over to this mouse over here, and you can see from here to here. Yeah. I didn't even have to I didn't even put this on before. I knew it came up to the 61.8. This is not good. Why? Because we came off of a bigger downward trend, which did not see 61.8, right? If we were to just to this level here, right? Just not even to the major wick here, because that would be a little bit off. Not even close to the 61.8. I mean, we're at 50% level. And so it didn't even come back to, where the breakdown level. So to scare out the people who got short. So the people who were short up here, they're laughing at us and they're holding their shorts and adding to them right now. Hopefully they're adding at the 120 level, but that's what's happening, right? So let me just make this a little bit shorter. So that's what's happening. The lower time frame, higher time frame, I mean. So we can look at this in many different ways, right? Another way to look at this is M. We can even go to shorter time frames to see all those M's. Yep. Every way you look at this, there's a bearish situation. Let's look at it another way, right? You can say that this overall from this downtrend is a bearish flag. Or you could look at it another way and say from this downward move all the way up, you see that it's like, oh yeah, there's some hope here. There's some hopium here. Look, just have to hold this trend line. Well, dude, that's also almost like a bear flag as well. Oops, from here to here. Oh boy. And there's like lots of downward, this indicating downward pressure. There is a lot here. And so basically, if we just go by just the M's alone, man, this M alone, it is, the odds are clear, right? The short-term trend is not our friend if you're a bull. And yeah, we could take us all the way to 103, which was exactly where Bitcoin bottomed on the index price, right? So if we bounce from the 103, if we get down to the 103 is the break of the 103 is the, hey guys, the bull market's over. Get out. That's how bad it is. The situation is this. If we break the 103, it is just walk away, right? And yes, we have to break it with on a daily candle. We have to do a daily candle close, of course. That's the odds of recovering if we break below here the 103 and we close a candle anywhere in below the 103 level, we are basically lights out. It is the bear season now. Hopefully the bear season now with the fact that we did not see a crazy blow off top with Bitcoin. That would mean the worst case scenario is Bitcoin corrects 40% from here, right? We go down to what? Let's see here. Let's go to the weekly scale. We correct 40% from the top, worst case scenario, and 40% from the top from here all the way down means we just retest the 75. That's what I thought. We retest the 75 level, and that's it. Worst case scenario, right? And then it takes a long time. It's a slow bleed. It's very painful, right? And that's how it works. Especially since Bitcoin didn't go any crazy valuation, right? And whilst everything else will just bleed, absolute bleed. Ethereum is done for. We're talking a 60% correction from the top. All right, so let's just do it. Let's do that for Ethereum here. If we break, let's see here. I think Ethereum, if we break its I say $3,500 level, it's bear market territory at this point. We fail to break higher. Jesus. So you can pretty much say, let's see here. Let's just do Fibonacci because that will probably give us a better understanding of where our lows are. All right, so anywhere from 2,500 for Ethereum, all the way down. Let me just zoom in on this. 2,500, all the way down to as low as $2,000. Right, it was the lows. So yeah, 50% from the top. From this point, wouldn't be surprised. Probably even more. Let's see here. Oh boy, it's not so good. This, I hope I'm wrong. I really hope I'm wrong. It's like this was not a fun bull market. Not at all. It was very, very painful. Yeah, 60% off. Yeah, that's what I thought. 60%. Very painful. And so you can see that with probably BNB topping out, probably it's feeling like it's topping. You can see that this thing, if you say 60% for that, I wouldn't be surprised 60% here. Wouldn't expect an 88.6 correction like it did last time. So yeah, in the $90 to $80 range is where we're headed for Solana if we fail. So, whilst at the meantime, guess what? This thing's gonna run. This thing's gonna run heavy. The whole time, it's going to run. So the best place to hide out is going to be in Bitcoin because institutional players are here, and that's where the money's coming. So that's where you buy, right? Is to invest into is Bitcoin and nothing else, right? Make sure you head over to my school, Bitcoin for Beginners, right, where you could learn how to invest in Bitcoin and other assets, but mostly just Bitcoin actually, and TSATs, right? We are, look, we got the green check mark. We're solid, right? We are like a solid product. No warnings if you buy it under Phantom or Soulflare or any of the products. So yeah, if you want to check it out, right? It's Satoshi15.com. Easiest way to own some Bitcoin. Oh my gosh, we're back up to 900 Satoshis for $1. That's that's pretty good, but we're probably going to get even better if prices go down. So, hey, you know what? At least you get to stack sats. If prices come down, guess what? It's a gift to you because eventually, Bitcoin will be a lot higher. These prices are within 2 years, you're going to be wishing for them. You're going to think, man, should have got some at $110,000, $111,000 Bitcoin. Should have got some. That's coming. That's coming. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.